Accessing your Equifax credit report for free is entirely possible and requires no paid subscription or credit card. Understanding how to pull your report legally helps you monitor your financial health, catch errors, and protect against identity theft without spending any money. The primary and most widely recognized method authorized by federal law is through annualcreditreport.com. This centralized platform allows consumers to access free credit reports from all three major nationwide credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. While federal legislation historically guaranteed one free report every 12 months, the major bureaus have permanently extended access to allow weekly free credit reports online. To request your Equifax report online through this platform, navigate to annualcreditreport.com and select the option to request your free reports. You will need to fill out a secure form providing your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and current address. If you have lived at your current address for less than 2 years, you must also provide your previous address. For security verification, the system will ask you several identity validation questions based on your financial history, such as previous loan amounts, mortgage details, or former addresses. Once your identity is successfully verified, you can instantly view, download, and print your Equifax credit report right from your browser. Aside from the centralized federal website, you can also obtain free reports directly through Equifax itself. By creating a free MyEquifax online account, you gain access to your Equifax credit report on a recurring basis. Setting up this account provides an ongoing dashboard view, making it easier to track changes, review credit card balances, and monitor inquiries over time. If you prefer alternative methods outside of the internet, you have options via phone or mail. You can call the toll-free number at 1-877-322-8228 to request your reports. After completing a verbal identity verification process over the phone, your requested report will be processed and mailed to you within 15 days. Alternatively, you can download, print, and complete the annual credit report request form from the official website and mail it to the designated processing address. Mail requests are also typically processed and shipped within 15 days of receipt. Additionally, federal law entitles you to a free copy of your credit report under specific life events, even if you have already accessed your annual or weekly allowances. You qualify for an additional free report if you receive an adverse action notice stating that your application for credit, insurance, or employment was denied based on your credit report. You must request this report within 60 days of receiving the notice. Other qualifying conditions include being unemployed and planning to look for a job within 60 days, receiving public welfare assistance, or believing your credit file is inaccurate due to fraud or identity theft. Reviewing your Equifax credit report regularly allows you to check for unauthorized accounts, incorrect personal information, or late payments that were settled on time. By sticking exclusively to official channels like annualcreditreport.com or MyEquifax, you avoid predatory third-party credit monitoring services that attempt to charge hidden monthly subscription fees for information you are legally entitled to receive for free. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.